Hello everyone, my project is about CRM with AWS Lambda and DynamoDB. This project allows users to manage customer information in the cloud with a simple and interactive web interface. Now let's dive into the implementation. First, log into your AWS account and search for DynamoDB in the console. Click on Create Table, enter the table name, select Customer Settings, Capacity Character, set both as 5 read and write to stay within AWS retail limits. Click on Create Table. Now duplicate the screen as each service will be in each tab, in its own tab. Now create role, AWS service, and select Lambda as use case, and attach permissions like AWS Lambda basic execution role and Amazon DynamoDB full access. Click on next. Now enter role details, role name, description, and hit on create role. And now again duplicate the screen and search for Lambda. So Lambda is serverless service. Here you can see you run your code without thinking about servers, which means without servers. Now create a function, give a function name, and Python as runtime. Use an existing role and select our IAM role. Now upload our code, which is frontend and backend, to load our CRM. We should make a zip. And this is nothing but a front-end code, inline CSS, and this HTML. And this lambda function.py serves as a backend deploy. Okay. Now go to configuration tab, edit, and set timeout as 15 seconds. Now search for API gateway to connect frontend and backend. Select REST API, give it a name, and description is optional. Click on create API button. Now we need to create resources. So Poplet allows you to quickly add a set of predefined customer records to the table. Create resource. Select another one. Add customer. Another resource. Get customer. To get customer details. Get all customer. To retrieve all customer details. Okay. So update customer. To update customer. To update customer details. Delete customer. So yeah. Now create method for each resource. Get method for retrieving. For add customers. Um, Post method for adding the customer details. For delete customer, delete method. Get all customer. Get all. Okay. Similarly, add all methods to all the resources. Add suitable methods to all the resources. Last one for update put method, lambda function, create method, yeah, ensuring all methods will be all created. So now enable cost for each resource for cross-origin resource sharing. Remove this, save. Similarly, enable cost for all resources. So here for populate resource, instead of get method, I have added head method. So I'm adding get method and deleting the head method. So yeah, now enable cost for cross-origin resource sharing for all the resources. Remove this. So yeah, now let's deploy the API. Give a stage name, dev, deploy, copy the invoke URL, and now paste it in the index.html code. Paste that, here it is. Now paste that URL and click on deploy. So it is updated. Now paste it in the browser. So bam, the CRM is loaded. Now let's enter one customer phone number, something 512. Okay, company as a ratio. Let's view customer details by entering customer ID. Yeah, you can see here email, phone, company status as active, etc. So now let's add another customer. Keep it active. Customer added successful. Let's route to populate. So this adds several customers to the DynamoDB now. Here you can see now several customers have been added. So now let's rename the company as Siemens. Hit on save. Now let's delete one inactive customer. For example, this one. Delete. So customer deleted successfully. Now let's find one customer details by entering customer ID. So yeah, you can see the details. We can download a CSV file of all customers by clicking export to CV. Here you can see the CSV file. This toggle button switches between light and dark for better viewing experience. Now let's check the database whether the items are added or not into the table. So yeah, items have been added successfully, including the ones I added. Here you can see. So this is my project, building CRM with AWS Lambda and DynamoDB, which provides scalable and user-friendly way to manage customer details. Thank you for watching and I hope you found this project interesting. Thank you.